Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a lawyer landing page in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click on Funnels. Now click Create to create a new funnel. Enter a funnel name, Lawyer Landing Page, choose Build an Audience or Sell, then click Create. Open your landing page step and click Edit Page. Choose a clean, professional template that fits a legal services website. Replace the headline with something like, "Get a free legal consultation today." Edit the page content to showcase your legal services, years of experience, practice areas, client testimonials, and contact information. Replace the images with professional photos of your law office or legal team. Update the call to action button with text like, "Book a consultation" or "Contact our firm." Customize the form to collect the visitor's name, email, phone number, and any additional details you need. When you're finished, click Save Changes. Preview your landing page to ensure everything displays correctly before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a lawyer landing page in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.